Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our third chapter, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. So in the previous video already we have studied about that different types of synthetic fibers like rayon, nylon, polyesters, spandex. There are so many synthetic fibers already have studied, but students, today we are going to learn about that specially plastics. आपको पता है कि प्लास्टिक क्या है? Yes, in your day-to-day life you will see that in your arounds there are so many articles, so many things, so many materials are made of by plastics. Yes, तुम्हारा पास में देखना है तो तुम्हारा जो डेली लाइफ में प्लास्टिक को कौन सा भी चीज हो, देखो तुम प्लास्टिक यूज करते मैक्सिमम 80% थिंग्स आर मटेरियल व्हिच आर यू आर यूजिंग डे टू डे लाइफ, यू आर यूजिंग दैट प्लास्टिक्स. इट इज मेड ऑफ बाय प्लास्टिक्स. यस, कैरी बैग्स, यस, पॉलिथीन दैट इज एंड योर चेयर, टेबल्स, फैन, सो मेनी आइटम्स. इवन दो आवर इलेक्ट्रिकल appliance it is made by plastics. So let us discuss about that. What is that plastics? So see students, plastic is also one of the synthetic. It is made of or obtained by the synthetic fibers, but little difference its monomer. Okay, the monomer units, what is that? That is little different. It is generally ethene. Okay, if we compare to that synthetic fibers monomer and a plastic monomer, then it is a little difference between the two. Little difference is there, that is the ethene. In the plastics, the monomer units is ethene. So for example, we will say polythene. Okay, poly plus ethene. So more ethenes are there. Higher class, if you whenever you will go, you will study that carbon compounds, then you will hydrocarbons, you will understand what is that ethene, ethane, propene, butene. You will study in the higher class. Okay, but let us discuss about that. What is that plastics and what are the examples and what are the types of plastics, properties we will discuss in this video. Look at here friends. First of all, plastics are polymers like synthetic fibers. The only difference between the two is in the nature of monomer units they are made of. What is the nature of the monomer units? That is only little difference. That is the ethene. Okay. So example, polythene. So ethene formula is generally, remember the students, C2H4. This is the ethene. Okay. And what is the characteristics of plastics? Characteristics of plastic क्या है? You know the students, nowadays you will see that different types of color of chairs or the different types of bottles, different colors also we are finding. Yes, it is one of the best quality or very important quality characteristics of a plastic. That means we can melt, we can keep it in different colors and different shape also. We can make it to different shape also. So see that what are the characteristics. First of all, we will see that they are easily moldable, that is they can be shaped in different form. Okay, हमें कौन सा भी मॉडल पे हमें बना सकते हैं. ओके, इसका प्लास्टिक का फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर है, हमें आज आवर विश, हमारे मन पे हमें जो भी शेप बनाना है वही सब कर सकते हैं बाय प्लास्टिक. They can be melted, colored, recycled, reused, rolled into sheets and drawn into wires. It has also this many properties or characteristics. That means we can melt it after the making approach. We can melt it and we can reuse it, we can color it, we can recycle it and roll it into also sheet, roll it, make it into also like wire. Okay, so these are the very important characteristics of a plastic. That's why we are nowadays more widely we are using the plastic instead of other materials. So let us discuss about that. What are the types of plastics? Generally, there are the two types of plastic students according to their heat consumption. Okay, so by that heat consumption, we can understand that the plastics are there two types. One is thermoplastics or thermoplast we can say, and thermosetting plastics or thermosets we can say. Okay, some plastics, if you will give the heat, it will melt and we can use this. And some plastics are once we melt after making after we cannot melt it. By how much heat also will give, we cannot remold, okay, or we cannot melt it. Okay, so according to that, by the heat, the plastics are the generally two types. So first we discuss about the what is the thermoplastics. These are the plastics which melts or become soft on heating and harden while cold. ऐसा एक प्लास्टिक है जो प्लास्टिक को हमें हीट करेंगे तो वो मेल्ट हो जाएगा और कूल करेंगे तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, हार्ड हो जाएगा. वो प्लास्टिक को हम क्या बोलते हैं, थर्मोप्लास्टिक्स. ओके, जो प्लास्टिक सपोज पॉलिथीन का हुआ, पॉलिथीन को हमें इट विल डू हीट, व्हाट विल हैपन, इट विल मेल्ट एंड व्हेनेवर इट विल बिकम कूल देन इट विल बिकम हार्ड और स्ट्रॉन्ग. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ प्लास्टिक्स इज कॉल्ड एज thermoplastics or thermosets. We can say that a thermoplast. Example: polythene, PVC, and they are used to make to bags, toys, etc. You have seen that so many carry bags are there, toys are there. If toys it will make that heat, what will happen? It will melt, and whenever we leave, sometimes it will become strong or hard. So this type of plastics are called as thermoplastics or thermoplasts. Okay. Next we will discuss about the students. What is the thermosettings? This is another type of plastics. Generally it is called as thermosettings. And these plastics, whenever we will give the heat, it cannot be melt. Once making after, we cannot melt again. Okay, see. These are the plastics which are when molded once cannot be soft and heating on heating. Once we making after, whenever that articles or materials we have made, then whenever we give that heat, it is on heating, it can't be melt. You have seen that electrical appellants like we are using as a insulator, and you have seen that bakelite is one of that also example of that. This is thermo setting plastic, and we are using in that kitchen, our floor plates, and that we are different articles we are using. By heating, it will give that heat, it won't be melt. Okay. Bakelite and melamine, these are the example of thermosetting plastic. Okay, thermosetting plastic मीन्स क्या होता हो, हमें जो आपको पता है जो इलेक्ट्रिकल वायर हम जो वायर जो इलेक्ट्रिशियन यूज करते हैं, हमें जो इलेक्ट्रिकल बोर्ड में जो स्विच भी यूज करते हैं, वो सब थर्मोसेटिंग प्लास्टिक. ओके, क्या होता है, करंट जाएगा तो भी उसको मेल्ट नहीं कर सकते, हीट होगा तो भी वो मेल्ट नहीं हो सकता. मतलब डिफरेंट किचन वेयर्स वी आर यूजिंग, किचन अप्लायंस जो हम यूज करते हैं कुकिंग करने का, उसका हैंडल भी बैकलाइट से रिवर्स मेड अप. सो दिस इज जनरली वी कैन से दैट दीज आर द मेड अप बाय thermosetting plastics. Okay friends, so I hope you have understood about that what is the plastic and what are the properties or what are the characteristics of plastics and types of plastics. Next we will discuss about other than uses and about the special what is the thermosetting plastics examples we will discuss in the next video. Thank you all of you.